he pulls his truck around the back and he doesn't realize that there's like, we're gonna come out and there's like a sea of kids and like they have like fences, they're like pushing the kids back and he like pulls in his big truck and
I back it up to the door.
He backs up. There's like not enough space in the car and like me and Ed get out and people are like, ah! They're like yelling and we hop in and we hop in the flatbed of his truck.
Yeah.
So we're just in.
We had to drive over curbs.
Yeah, me and Ed are in the flatbed, and all of a sudden, people are literally like dangling off like the back of his.
Did you think they're all for Benny?
No, he didn't.
No, like I understood, like I understood that.
Clicked.
Like yeah, it clicked.
Yeah,
It clicked as soon as I Googled who he was after. You know?